Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did a simple glam gold light brown cut crease, keeping it subtle, more natural. So if you would like to see how I did this, keep on watching. First we are going to start with prepping the skin with the Pearl Essence Aloe and Rose Water and my Max Fix Plus. Then with the spoolie from my ABH Brow Wiz in Chocolate, I'm going to brush up my hairs and lightly underline my eyebrow and then lightly fill in the rest of my eyebrow. Then with a light hand, I draw eyebrow hairs in the front and fill in the front lightly. Then I brush through the brow to even everything out. Then with the M432 brush and my LA Girl Pro Conceal, I'm going to underline the brow and clean up any mistakes I made while outlining my eyebrow and dragging it downwards. Then I place more concealer on my eyelid to serve as a primer for my eyeshadow. Then with my Beauty Blender, I'm just blending it out. And with my Fenty Beauty blotting powder and an e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush, I'm going to set my eyes. Then I'm going to take the Shadow Raw Sienna from my ABH Modern Renaissance palette and blend it above my crease up to my brow with a Sephora Pro Featherweight crease brush. Then I take the Shadow Burkina from the Masquerade Mini by Juvia palette and I'm going to blend that into the crease, but I'm not going to take a lot because I want a soft blend. I'm just going back and forth. Then with my M432 brush and a concealer, as I'm cutting my crease, I look up to make sure that I am placing it high enough where if I open my eye, it doesn't transfer up. Then I'm going in with the Tarte Chrome Paint in Park Avenue Princess, and I'm going to place that where I cut the crease. Then going back in with the Burkina shadow, I'm going to blend the gold. Then I'm going to coat my lashes in some mascara. And I'm going to take my Dual Lash Glue and my Shy Dye Shang Pin lashes, and I'm going to place my eyelash in the middle of my eyelash line and then pinching it in both the outer and inner lash line. With my tweezers, I'm going to pinch all over to make sure that my real lashes blend in with the fake ones. Here's a closer look on my other eye. Pinching in the front and the back. Then with my Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer, I prime my skin and rub it in. Then I took my Fenty Beauty foundation in 280 with my Real Techniques buffing brush and just blended it out. Then with my Beauty Blender, I go back in just to make sure that everything's nicely blended. Then with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in medium beige, I place that all under my eye and in my T-zone and I blend it out. With my Beauty Blender, of course. Then I take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Cafe to contour and I use my Beauty Blender to blend it out. Then going back in with my Fenty Beauty blotting powder, I'm going to set my entire face, especially underneath the eye so there's no creasing. Then I'm just going to lightly pat my face to make sure everything's set. And then with my Provision Studio contour palette, I'm going to make a fish face and contour my face. Then going back in with my Max Fix Plus and my Real Techniques contour brush and my Laura Geller Gilded Honey, I'm going to highlight my face. Once again, I place it above where I contoured. Then I'm going in with my Milani lip liner in Most Natural, and I'm just going to lightly outline my lips and drag that inwards to blend it out. Then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Diamond Milk, and I'm just going to place that over, and that's the finished look. A simple glam.